edition of Product Fave, we're going to be talking about the Beyond Meat Burger. This is our favorite plant-based meat substitute. It's ready to cook. This same company, they also make a frozen version, but definitely get this one. We recommend this one. And it really takes on the flavor of whatever you season it with. You know, I like to use pepper, lemon pepper, and a couple other seasonings that I won't tell you. And it's so juicy when you bite into it. You can really taste the flavor and really taste the deliciousness, if you will, of the burger. So please try it out. You can get it at health food stores if you have a Whole Foods. I'm sure you can find it online if need be. But don't forget to like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/mealswithoutmeat. You can follow our regular host at Venus Maven on Instagram, and also follow our travel page at Black Adventure 6 on Instagram. Please let us know what you think about it when you try it. Beyond Meat.